Hey, Lexus, thank you for rocking with us this year. We are grateful that you place your trust in us. File your taxes and to maximize your savings. Now, here's a few personalized tips I put together just for you. Number one, starting with the business, I want you to continue to stack your receipts. We're talking about for your business supplies, any equipment that you might purchase, traveling expenses, any meals, rentals, and etc. Think about those vehicle expenses, your home office expenses, which includes the rental payment, utilities, and insurance. I would suggest that you at least take about every 3 to 4 months and pause and um, just review your monthly income and expenses and go ahead and reconcile it. So you can avoid trying to wait to put all this together at the last minute at the end of the year. And don't forget to think about other means of investing, like investing into a retirement account, like a 401k or an IRA. Okay, now, if you got a refund, you need to also maybe think about ways that you can make it go and grow. All right, now that's it for now. Till next time, you take care.